Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the lower spray arm in a Bosch dishwasher. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a minute to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new lower spray arm. The lower spray arm is used for washing dishes in a lower dish rack. The main reason for the lower spray arm to be replaced is if it gets cracked or gets clogged beyond cleaning. We're going to open the dishwasher door. Let's pull out the lower dish rack assembly and remove it from the dishwasher. So grab the old spray arm in the center hard and just pull it up straight. This is the old lower spray arm next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Place the new spray arm in the opening, drop it down, and then push it down to lock. So now is the time for the lower dish rack assembly to go back in, and then we can close the door. Plug the dishwasher in and enjoy your clean dishes. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.